Good morning everybody. It is cold, my hands are freezing even though I've got gloves on, but I feel really good. Set out to do 10 miles this morning. I've just got back, hair's a mess as usual, and I've done 13 and a half, and I felt really good. Probably could have done another mile or so, because I'm running with Adam again next week and he wants to do 15. So I thought I'd give it a crack, but I am absolutely freezing. But I just wanted to show you what I look like after a 13.5 mile run. So I'm going to have a shower and a cup of tea to warm up. I'll see you in a bit. Hey campers, I am finally warm. Nice shower, nice and warm. I had to go to the shop to get some milk, so just got some tea brewing in the Tesmo, and then we're going to get ready for an afternoon. We're going to the Arboretum, and then we're going out for food later with my mum. So that's something to look forward to. And also the new Star Wars comics out, so probably get that in the week. There isn't many comic book stores around where we're going. I can't think if there's any in Walsall or not. So that's about it. Oh, we are going shopping as well for a chair for the bear, as he's outgrown his other one and we need to contain him at certain times, so I need to get him a chair. Apart from that, it's Saturday, so that means lunch, which is beans, sausages and poachy eggs, which I love. Today's outing, we've come to Walsall Arboretum, and not to buck the trend, we've got construction. Thought it was bad on the roads, there's construction everywhere. No idea what they're building here, but I'll show you a look around this. Some lakes and stuff. Have a look around. So we're a little further in the park, and we've got the swings. Playground over there. Some more woodland. Just over there are some tennis courts. Lots of dog walkers, etc. And some runners. Quite nice to run around here, I think. Treasure Island. Not so much Treasure Island. So you got some strings and stuff. I don't know what the etiquette is now about filming, so I didn't want to film too much. I'm told off to film the kids in a park. Ooh, badgery. Here's some nature for you. Snowdrops. I didn't know there were snowdrops. I've just been informed. Here we have a boggy lake, river, stream, and a little bridge at the end of the stream. As parks go, it's not a bad park. Probably nicer in the summer. Just having a stroll around. I'll take you to the lake. So the construction is a new visitor centre. And there's not a lot happening. A couple of buildings. Some ducks. A nice little walkway. And the pool, or the lake. This is the main lake. It's a bit frozen in the middle. We've got some ice skating seagulls. Yeah, lots of seagulls. Lots of ducks. We're just walking down this way. Nice little shelter. Because there's a mass of ducks around here. It's Mum and Lucy. You've got all the seagulls in the middle. That's thing in the frozen part. like a Seagull Ice Rink. Here's a big goose and another goose and some strange ducks. I've always wondered why they put islands in the middle of a lake. It's not like you can get over there. I think they do have boating in there, but I doubt you can get out of the boat. I think there's a boat shed over there somewhere. Not quite sure what it is, but it's very frozen. There's a nice seating area. I haven't been here for so long, it has changed. I think they have fireworks on here in November time, because they have some, like, they're called the illuminations. There's a bandstand there, so maybe they have live bands on or something, not sure. But there's like a seating area here. But around the park they have like lights strung up, like Blackpool illuminations. Were cancelled a couple of years ago. They have started up again, so I might come to that this year, show you that as well. So there's not much else left in the park, it's just the lake that goes all the way around. So that's about it. Combo share, I don't know what's on it though. What's on it? Garlic bread, mushrooms, prawns, chicken, and some very burnt potatoes. Lucy's got a bandito burger. She only asked for a single, but she's got a double. Guacamole, steak. Orange steak. Doughnut Burger. This is just some of the crazy ass desserts. This is huge. Obviously you don't get all of it. Do you want one, Lucy? Hey, we just got home and I am full. That burger was immense and those desserts were even bigger. We didn't have a dessert in the end as I was just too full, and I think it would have just been a bit greedy for that as well. Burger itself, yeah, it was okay. It wasn't as bad as it looked. The bun itself, burger donut thing, it tasted a bit like a brioche bun, but obviously the glaze on it made it that little bit sickly, and it was a bit too much meat included in that as well. But yeah, if you've never tried one before, it is worth a try, but I wouldn't have one again. But I did want to try one once, so yeah, it's alright. What's happening now? It's about 8:30. I am pooped. I'm absolutely shattered. I was up at 6. I went running today. Did 13.5 miles, so I'm ready for bed. But that was the last blowout, which is why we went out tonight as well. So training starts Monday, and healthy eating is the kick. So 18 weeks, no rubbish food and biscuits and cakes and whatever, which is not a bad thing. So I'm going to think tank tomorrow, so that should be good. I haven't been there before, and should be good. So I'll see you all guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and even if I don't want to, now it's time to rate the fruit.